Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to our series dedicated to unveiling the secrets to personal transformation. Today, we delve deep into the philosophies of Neville Goddard, a thought leader whose teachings have illuminated the path for countless seekers. We are turning the pages of his seminal work, The Law of Assumption. With each phrase holding profound wisdom and the potential for transformation, we are about to unlock the potential of this law as articulated by Neville Goddard himself. So, get cozy, steep your favorite tea, and let's embark on this journey. Neville Goddard's The Law of Assumption forms the cornerstone of our exploration today. The book takes us on an odyssey into our consciousness, illustrating the often underestimated power of our assumptions. It's not just a guide to spiritual development, but a tool for self-examination and personal transformation. In the words of Neville Goddard, the law of assumption is a principle stating that our experiences are dictated by what we assume to be true. This is not wishful thinking or mere conjecture. It's an understanding of the metaphysical law governing our lives. Goddard guides us through the labyrinth of our mind, revealing how our assumptions, consciously or unconsciously, shape our reality. But what are assumptions? In essence, they are our deeply held beliefs, the frameworks that shape our perception of the world. The law of assumption, as Neville Goddard teaches, says that whatever we accept as true forms the contours of our life experiences. If we assume ourselves to be successful, we set in motion the wheels of success. If we assume ourselves to be bound by limitations, those very constraints become our reality. The teachings of Neville Goddard offer us a mirror to reflect on our own assumptions, encouraging us to challenge our limiting beliefs. He prods us to align ourselves with the reality we desire, instead of being governed by circumstances. By understanding the law of assumption, we are empowered to steer our thoughts and emotions towards the reality we desire to experience. As we journey through the law of assumption, Neville Goddard provides us with practical exercises to cultivate a mindset of manifestation. He advises us to assume the feeling of our wish fulfilled, thus guiding us to attune our emotions to the outcomes we wish to see. This practice anchors us in our desired reality, allowing us to live from our goals instead of towards them. But how do we apply the law of assumption in our everyday life? Here's where Neville Goddard's wisdom becomes immensely practical. He suggests we conduct a mental rehearsal of our desired reality, fully immersing ourselves in the feeling of our wish fulfilled. This practice helps shape our subconscious mind, which in turn influences our actions, decisions, and the course of our lives. For instance, if you desire to lead a healthy lifestyle, assume the feeling of being fit. How would it feel to climb stairs without losing breath, or to fit into your favorite clothes? Engage all your senses and feel the joy, confidence, and energy that being healthy would bring. By living from this desired state, you shape your external reality to match your internal one. As we near the end of our exploration of the law of assumption, the wisdom of Neville Goddard echoes within us. We now grasp the profound implications of the law of assumption, understanding our power to shape our destiny. It's this perspective that Neville Goddard invites us to adopt, recognizing our inherent ability to manifest our desires. In today's enlightening session, we've delved into The Law of Assumption by Neville Goddard. This book offers us a transformative perspective on the power of our assumptions and the potential they hold in shaping our lives. As we comprehend the teachings of the Law of Assumption and apply the principles laid out by Neville Goddard, we move toward a higher realm of self-awareness and personal mastery. Thank you, dear viewers, for joining us in this exploration of the Law of Assumption and the profound teachings of Neville Goddard. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Remember, the more we share knowledge, the more it multiplies. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep growing, and remember, you hold the power to shape your reality. With the Law of Assumption, as illuminated by Neville Goddard, you have the tools to manifest your deepest desires. Stay tuned for the next installment of life transformational nuggets of wisdom from our channel. Motivational and inspirational videos that will surely give you an unfair advantage on your journey to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Until then, be the change you want to see in the world. by being vigorously kind, fiercely compassionate, and relentlessly respectful. We change the world beginning with ourselves. For every ripple of positive action we create, it propagates a wave of benevolence that has the power to transform the world one heart at a time. Hey Rockstar, you made it to the end, which means you're clearly hungry for more. So let's get you that next level knowledge. On your left, we've got, you are a badass at making money unveiled. Ever wondered how to turn your doubts into dollars and insecurities into investments? Well, that's the next video you want to watch. And on your right? Oh, it's a game changer. The magic of the compound effect. Think of this as turning your life into the best kind of snowball fight. One where each tiny action builds momentum until you're basically unstoppable. So, are you ready to transform your entire world? Or multiply your life one choice at a time? Click your destiny, and let's skyrocket your awesomeness.